Hello everyone, hope we are doing great. So for today we are going to assembly our new ring light and we are going to test it with our new Feature Friday video. So let's start. So we have our ring with we have the counter here, different lights, we have the tripod, and we have the adjustment features. And now the next video is going to be recorder using the new ring. See you there. Great, so we already assembled the ring lights and we are using it. It has 3 color temperatures, so you have a warm temperature, you have like a blue one, and you have 10 brightness levels. The one that I'm using is the blue. And for today's video, we are going to ask some new questions to Vector related to the Friday feature, right? So let's see. Hey Vector, question. Do you like dogs? What, Vector? Yeah, they are great friends and we may get a dog for us. Don't criticize the noises, Vector, because you do a lot of noises as well. Let's see the second one then. Hey Vector, question. Are you fully charged? Yes? Are you? Okay. Okay, you are. Perfect. Hey Vector, question. Who created you?
These engineers did great things to make Vector come to life.
Oh, that's...
Dream Labs is glad to continue development and drive new innovations alongside the community.
Great. I think the Digital Dream Lab is doing a lot of good job. So thank you, Vector. Hey guys, you saw the light is perfect now for our videos, and of course the questions to Vector was great. Have a great night and bye.